Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. And for those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix invalid session in Lunar Client Minecraft. And if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So first, you need to check server status. You should initially check to determine if the server you are joining is still online. If you see the failed to log in invalid session, try restarting your game error message. It is usually on your side, but it never hurts to make sure. This specifically designed testing server is always accessible and supports all game versions. Those that can connect to it can be sure that their game is functioning normally and that the problem is with the server that they are seeking to connect to. Restart Minecraft. So this is a bit of an obvious fix as the error message states try restarting your game. All you have to do is close the game and reopen it back up, and that often fixed this error. The issue is usually resolved by following this. To check if the problem has been fixed, attempt to connect to the server IP, test.prison.com test.prisonfund.com. Please take a look at the other potential solutions on this list if that hasn't made a difference. Restart your computer. If restarting the game or closing everything from your task manager doesn't fix the invalid session problem, make sure to restart your computer or any other platform you're using to play. Your device's files will all be updated by restarting it, which will typically fix this error. And lastly, log out of your Minecraft and log back in. This can help out because sometimes the invalid session problem is because it is registering you logged in somewhere else. This just guarantees the problem isn't specifically something to do with your Minecraft account and instead something in your files. Okay, so those are the steps that you can follow in order to fix invalid session Lunar Client Minecraft. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!